Hey guys, we're gonna be doing Envision Grade 5, Topic 2, Lesson 1, Mental Math. And it's gonna be how can you use mental math to add and subtract. And in this case, add and subtract decimals. So with mental math, you're just trying to get compatible numbers that work so you can add them up in your head. So the first one is 1 and one is 7 300ths plus 9 plus 3 700ths. To me, what makes sense to add in my head is going to be the 7 300ths plus the 3 700ths, because these numbers make 10. So if I say 7 plus 3, that's going to make 10 decimal, and 3 plus 7 is going to make 10 as well. And then I'm going to add the 9. So, of course, 9 plus 10 is 19. So 19 and 10 hundredths. All right, number 2, 63 and 75 minus 13 and 25 hundredths. We're going to be subtracting from the back. 75 minus 25 is 50. We got our decimal. 3 minus 3 is 0, and 6 minus 1 is 5. All right. Number 3 and 4, it says how many more people live in Phoenix than in San Antonio? Remember, when we see the word more, that tells us that we need to subtract. So how many more people live in Phoenix than in San Antonio? So Phoenix is 1.6 minus 1.4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2/10 million people, million more people. Okay. How many more people live in San Diego and Chicago combined? How many people live in San Diego and Chicago combined? So we're adding those up. So San Diego is 1.3, Chicago is 2.7. So 3 plus that 7. I like, this is going to carry that 1 over. So it's essentially going to be a 0, and you're going to carry that 1 over. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. So 4 million combined. Because it's like saying I have 30 cents and 70 cents. That equals $1. So that's my $1 right there. A hotel bought 56 4/10 pounds of apples in August from a local orchard. In September, the hotel purchased an additional 53 34 pounds of apples and 32 26 hundredths pounds of strawberries. How many pounds of fruit did the hotel buy? So all together. So we need to find the compatible numbers that work the best together. I'm just going to lay them all out so I can know. I don't think I can do all that in my head. I think I'm just going to have to add these up to be easier for you guys and for me. Because showing you it on the video is not going to be very helpful. So I'm just going to add all these numbers up. Okay, so it's 141 pounds of fruit. Here we go. And number 6 says, write the definition and give example of the commutative property of addition. So commutative property of addition, we read it in your book, in your black pages. It talks about how in the commutative property, you can add numbers in any order. So the commutative property of addition, P of A, you can add numbers in any order. So let's say, for example, if you wanted to talk about like the numbers we just had for the apples and the strawberries, you could do 56.4 plus 52.34 plus 32.26, and that would be the same if I added and change the numbers around a little bit. It would give me the same answer. It wouldn't matter if they were moved around in any sort of way. All right, guys, so this was mental math for Envision grade 5, lesson 2-1.